Hi there, I'm Erica, and I'm live at the 2023 Digible Summit, where the topic is Unlearn and Rethink. Wendell, you've been at several other Digible Summits. How does this one compare to others? Can you tell us a little bit about the energy and conversations there?
Yeah, I think the energy here was amazing. Everyone was very upbeat. I think a few years of COVID has pent up energy. I would say this conference is a great way to really get to know each other on a more intimate level. It's not that 1,000 people conference, but more of that workshop style.
Being in person and seeing everyone and reacting live was fantastic. Kind of the idea of bringing your whole self and being comfortable enough to unlearn and rethink was really pervasive throughout the whole theme, and everybody was very collaborative and sharing, and that made for a really warm environment.
Today in the sessions, everybody was raising their hand. Everyone felt very comfortable kind of talking out loud, asking questions, and then asking the group questions, not just speakers, which I thought was amazing. You could just really tell that people wanted to get opinions, people wanted to walk away and learn something. So they were very open to just having that collaboration across the board.
Probably my most memorable moment was just working directly with a lot of the top executives here at the conference. I think it's wonderful to see decision makers show up at a conference, share their ideas, their pain points, and collaborate with other executives so that we can bring it back to our teams and share what we just learned, unlearned, and rethink.
I love the intimate group that we had all together. I think it made people feel extremely comfortable opening up about issues within the organization or just a property specifically. It wasn't like there's a ton of people here that you need to kind of be careful about. You didn't want anybody to overhear. Everybody was very, very open. So I thought it was really great. Everybody seemed just happy to be here.
Becoming you takes courage. It is not for the faint of heart. We must accept that we are imperfect and perfect beings simultaneously. We've got to trust that our magic lies in all parts of who we are, not just the good or the special parts of who we are. I am Cindy because of everything about me, not just the parts that somebody else might deem worthy. Becoming our truest selves requires acceptance that life and people are not binary. We all contain multitudes. Time to stand up and stand out, because today we are being called to set the world on fire with our courage, our grit, and our authenticity. We must support each other in standing up boldly for who we are as individuals. That means we have to support people as they show up in the workplace and beyond for who they truly are. And we have to do that without judgment.